Bobbing like a motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked on. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll it. You get the Bozak to the home sack, that's for show, black. The PMAC can keep your dough fat. And tell me what does it take to be a G? I started with a code down, some bells to a key. You gotta watch the backstage, strap to your left. Started as a young motherfucker doing that. And now I'm in the rap game like the crack game. I got enemies. Can't pretend to see my friends are not my enemies. And even thug motherfuckers wanna have fun. Stuck fucking my motherfucking magnum. What does it take to be a G? Silence is a must. Violence is a plus. Plus, shots at my ass. And that's the biggest scary, but it's time to be buried. Cause I'll be bucking in the fucking hub. Fuck for life. High till I die. Shooting crooked ass cops. Let me fly. Do or die to my brothers in the penitentiary. Raise hell when the niggas finish me. Thug for life. Thug for life. High till I die with them stupid ass bitches ass. Tell them thug for life. High till I die with them stupid ass bitches ass. Tell them thug for life. High till I die with them stupid ass bitches ass. Tell them thug for life. High till I die with them stupid ass bitches ass. Thug for life. High till I die with them stupid ass bitches ass. Thug for life.